Welcome back, life travelers, to another video by Ricardos Travels.
One is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes and see the way I see. 'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy with me.
Okay guys, here we are, Lynn Cove, Viaduct, North Carolina. Okay, so I just returned from my autumn mountain trip, or my Thanksgiving trip, but that's going to have to wait for another video because it's Black Friday and I've got to get a video out for Black Friday. And the deals I have for you, this is perfect for RVers, is the Jackery 500 and the solar panel by DOKIO. So the Jackery 500 is what I use to power and recharge all my equipment. And for you that don't know, the Jackery 500, the lower half is what you charge with and the upper half is the input. And you can charge with solar, wall outlet, or a cigarette or a car charger. And it takes about 5 to 8 hours to charge, and then you can charge all kinds of equipment for hours. And of course it's got built-in protection. So the Jackery 500 is $467, and I checked to make sure that is the best deal. Although I got a better deal for you. Hold on. Jackery's offering it for $499 minus the $75, which brings it down to $425. But I got a way you can get this off Amazon for the same price. So you click through, it's showing it's the $467, but it's got a coupon. So you click the coupon for $42. And of course it's still going to show $467 until you check out. So you click the proceed to checkout button and then it will show you the final price. The total before tax is $425, the same as on Jackery. $425, same as on Jackery. So Jackery likes to pair their device with their own solar panel, the Solar Saga 100. And it's $299 for their panel. And again, that's the 100 watt for $299. I use the same one that Bob over there at Cheap RV Living uses, which is the DOKIO 300 watt, not 100 watt, for $299. So that's a 300 watt for $299, which is the same as the Jackery's $299 for just 100 watt. So that's why I go with the DOKIO 300 watt. It's the same price and it's IP65 waterproof. It's got a pretty long cable that comes with it. The newer one comes with that longer cable. And then of course it comes with a controller and all kinds of adapters to hook to just about any device you can think of. So you can charge your equipment and your RV, whichever. Now it's $299, and you match that with the Jackery of $425 and you got a perfect pair. Now, if you found any of this information helpful, please comment and like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, may everyone have safe and happy travels wherever life leads you.
All I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well,